Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to add salt to your Ikea brand dishwasher. So it's real easy. This dishwasher salt you can get anywhere from a grocery store, from a big box store, whatever. And it protects your dishwasher from the mineral buildup from your water. So depending on how hard your water is, you might need to add this every month, or you might need to not add it at all, or add it every 6 months to a year. But it's real simple. All you need to do is you need your dishwasher, you need your salts, and then you need one of these salt funnels, which you should have gotten with your dishwasher. If you didn't get one or if you lost it or whatever, I'll put a link to a cheap funnel, wide mouth funnel that'll do the trick down in the description. So all we're going to do is take the bottom rack out, and you'll see down here there's this kind of wide mouth top here, and depending on the actual model it might be over here. But we're just going to unscrew it. It should be full of water. And then you just put that on, and then you just pour your salt in. It's as simple as that. Now, this is a 1 kilo box. When that's empty, it will take about 1 kilo will fill it up. So, a couple pounds in there. You use your finger to move it around to make sure that you get it good and full. But once you've done that, you put the top back on. You put the rack back in, and you're good to go. So, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.